Hi, Alan here. Today we're headed to the river. I've wanted to fish this river during the early spring for a number of years. Been watching a guy on YouTube absolutely slay it on this lesser known river. Should be a ton of fun. The weather is amazing. It's 75 degrees today. It's March 25th. In the next day or two, it should be a record temperature. So we're kind of in a heat wave. Okay, I got here kind of late, but there's still going to be plenty of time to fish. Probably be setting up my tent in the dark. That's alright. It's the sacrifices you have to make to catch fish. Ooh, I had a strike right there. Just at the last second. Startled me. I fished this hole and a few others until the sun set. Then I went back to camp and set up my tent in the dark. Well, it's pretty. No luck so far. I'll fish it all day tomorrow. Okay, I didn't have much luck last night, and I fished it this morning as well. I'm gonna try with the nymph rig, fly rod, and if that doesn't work, then I'll cast some spinners through it again, or Rapalas. Okay, I'm trying some zebra midges because it's still zebra midge time of year, even though it's unusually warm. I gave this hole another try for about 10 minutes, and then I hiked down river and worked my way up. Man, oh man. Look at this country. This is God's country. Beautiful. This is at the end of March. Soon this will all be green. Man, I can't believe how beautiful this area is. When this all turns green this spring, it'll be unbelievable. Oh man, talk about, look at that. Full day of fishing. I wonder how he got the big gouge out of his fin. Oh man, that was a lot of work to get this guy. But it goes to show this river's got big fish in it. It's just off today. Man, what a beauty. Well, let's let her go. I wonder. Oh, don't get tangled up in my Panther Martin. Okay, that's... Oh man, look at that sucker. Let's release this sucker. Get him revived. Off he goes, like a lightning bolt. Woo! All right, this was the hole that I just pulled that, I think it was about an 18, 19 inch rainbow. I'll have to check the recording afterwards. I had him in the net. I didn't remember to look at the marks in the net and add up the numbers on both sides of the fish to get the length. But I think it was about 18. So let's cast again. Same cast, see if we can pull another fish out of there. No, not that one. Let's try a little higher up. Okay, that should be prime time right there. Let's see what happens. Nope. Oh, I got another one out of that hole just further up. Oh yeah. What a beauty. Let's get him netted. This one's a brown, it looks like. It's not quite as big as the last one. Oh, beauty fish, eh? Let's get it. Get the hook out. It's got the speckles. The one downside to, oh, there we go. Okay. Oof. Pretty fish. Got the brown buttery bottom. Good speckles. Alright. Let's get you revived. And off he went. Feeling lucky with this one. Oh, thought I had a bite. Probably did. Alright. Picks up algae when I pull it across there. But that's alright, as long as I get it through the tail of that seam in front of me. So I'll clean off the salad and give it another whirl. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. right where I wanted it. Let's hope that it carries it a little bit. All right, I'm feeling fishy. Feeling real fishy. Nope. All right, I'm gonna let it sink a little deeper. Honestly, it was some pretty tough fishing. I fished the whole day hard, and I only landed 2 fish. Throughout the day, I probably got another 3 or 4 strikes. The weather being super warm and having the weather change drastically in a short period of time may have put the fish down. But it made it beautiful and awesome to be out fishing in early spring. I'm glad to get out, shake off the cabin fever.